So we're going through some riparian restoration training today, sort of an advanced level training, mostly focused on how to repair degraded riparian systems. And today in particular, we're working on beaver dam analog installation. Beaver dam analog is essentially what it sounds like, mimicking a beaver dam, designed to hold water back in places where beaver don't currently exist. And it just kind of helps facilitate, first of all, beaver expansion, recolonization of areas where they've been in the past. Also, by raising the floodplain and increasing the flow of water across the landscape, will increase the extent of riparian vegetation, causing some willows to grow back and all the other things that beaver need to come back to these areas. We create a small pond, we increase the amount of riparian vegetation that persists, and when a beaver would show up, or maybe we relocate a beaver into these systems, they at least have a fighting chance to hang on and start moving back into these systems. I've been doing this for 3 or 4 years, and it's really, really fun to go back to a site every year and see that what you're doing is actually working. You're causing the sediment to precipitate out of the system, you're raising the bed of the stream, you're causing water to flow across the landscape, and you're causing change. So by having all these people out here doing this, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of fun, and it is moving the needle. I mean, it's changing these habitats for the better in a lot of instances.